People are going, you don't know me the facts. Yeah man, you don't know. I pray. People. Yeah man, no comfortable about. People, I don't know what going on. I see what going on with Shenseea and I media right now. People. Somebody get Shenseea some help, please.
Artist. And me and my label, which is, Russian and Interscope, it wasn't on no weird vibes, like, so don't think of it like that. I'm independent now and I'm enjoying my independence to the fullest, I must say, but I'm not gonna be in.
She needs some help, some mentor, something. I feel like she a crash out on the media now. I realize she a dip on the media too frequently right now. Something not right. You know, when somebody confused and a crash out, like they don't know what to do, and it's like they just want company media come express it. See? Because who remember when Shenseea come out and say she give dancehall? Remember, Shenseea bust the wedding, she come out and she say she give dancehall 5 years. Right, people? And she don't want stuck in a one place and ray and this that. I'm shame my head, I'm say, Shenseea, remember say at Jamaica you rise from. Jamaica your roots. When you come out and say you give dancehall or give our culture 5 years, we never hear another dancehall artist, not even Shaggy and Sean Paul, where I do it big for years, come out and say, yo, them give dancehall 5 years, so them need to put it down and go for somewhere else. Shenseea, and that's why you come back to square one now. You see, this is the thing, people. Want to listen to that piece of clip here?
Independent for long, because where I want to go, like, yeah, anybody will tell you say it's fun doing it alone, I lie them at and like, and let me tell you this, come out of that broke mindset. If you don't have to do it alone, don't do it alone. You just always say energy, you just always say time. Like, you can get so much more done when you put so many different people on so many different projects. Like, anybody here tell you say, oh, I do it by myself, and they're bragging about that, straight up dumb to me. Like, me not gonna lie. Like, that's not something to brag about. Like, brag about people actually wanting to work with you. You know? Only do it alone if you have to do it alone. If you don't have to do it.
Zane, I wanna just hear the clip what she say. And this is the thing, people. You can't do music, Jamaica boss you. Right? Your roots. This is how the people them know. If the world know it, this is how them know you about dancehall. Right? You come up now, yo, 5 years make you dancehall, ray. We know the little thing with our mother and them say she sell her soul and every little thing. I saw it go a dancehall artist, people are go critique, people are go say and ray. But then I think she said she done and ray. She gets signed now, right, people? She gets signed. And then she go, sign, she get signed with Russian, and then I think some other Interscope or something like so. See? And the end of that, them drop her. But it's like one at a time we see like she want to double in a rap and every little thing and rare. She drop albums, but in the first week, really do much like how a big label artist and every little thing. Right, people? But she have come say no. After the label drop her and everything, she have go say no, yo, nobody not do who elevate big not do it alone, and who talk about do it alone have broke mentality, and people. May I tell her? So she said maybe she have to go on sign. She maybe sign again. So in my mind, I say wait. Then Shenseea, if you sign and then the label drop you, and then you go sign again, Jano, you don't feel like they're the same thing. Gotta show your sign, say you need to stick into your roots, stick in your diaspora, and then you elevate from there. Yes, the label do what you do. I show it. The label do what you do, because you sign to the label, you don't really have no creative control there, so. See, that kind of diverse thing. People don't know you as no hip-hop or no rap artist. They know you as a dancehall female artist. See, you can double over this or no ray. People must say, yo, what is it?
I need you to subscribe.
And see, they know. You have to try come back to find yourself and all of them look something there. Right? Now you depend on social media now. I give advice. Somebody when you know what they want can't give advice. Cause a minute you say you go sign back, and then you go say maybe if I sign again, then maybe I go say yo, me no bother. Shenseea, you need somebody for educate you, somebody for guide you. And this is the thing. Whatever you need, don't put it to the world or try to educate the world or whatsoever, because you don't know what you want. You understand? And this is the problem, you know, people. You see, with these female artists in a Jamaica, I realize with them not have patience. Them just want jump over tree broom and them for jump over one at a time. You understand? Them rush, them go sign because them want play this competition thing. Say, yo, me up right up, me there, sir, way. And I know say, yo, this take time. You understand? You want to dance all 5 years. You understand? All who in the elder who bigger than you, more elderly artists than you. Me never hear them come make them talk, yeah. But you dance all 5 years. What is 5 years to give in your own culture? You shouldn't even say that. You understand? And see now you come back, need back your roots right now. But what? People are gonna neglect you because you disrespect the culture when you do that and say that. You understand? And that is a thing. Because you diss your own people, them and know say, look here, these are the same people them where I go uplift you and where I go push you and where I go represent you out there. So when you do that now, can remember, you know, the hit song there she get hit and run, you know. That I when them they say, yo, she a come back in a dance hall and everything, you know. You see what I try to say? That same one, you know. You see me? Gara biggest song when she a come back, you know, people. Forward back in a game, you know. See? Imagine she there internationally, I do her thing and she nah get no big song. And you know so when she a come back right down in her culture now, she get her big song, biggest song. Remember say she have SHENSEEA and she have light and all of them things that mash up the place, you know. But because she not no patience, she want to move too fast. Cause if you hear she talking in a video.
Alone, please don't do it alone. Like, don't take that advice. Take my stupid advice. No superstar or no one who is a billionaire ever did it alone. Nobody did that shit. They started alone and then other people believe in them and believe in their vision, but they never did it alone. But now I have, boy, I don't want to deal map on the table. I don't even know what to choose at this point. I don't want to rush anything. And I'm just, you know, like I'm enjoying.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox. How the latest news them lock. Media Fox. Trending, nah stop. Media Fox. How the latest report them.
Right? You can see say, yo, she not no patient, she want to rush things. She just want to jump from A to Z. You understand? And also the music thing work. The music thing take time. You think Shaggy and Sean Pack them and them big Rihanna and Beyonce them and them people, you know how much years them doing at the game? And they reach where they end there. Yes, them get help and thing and way, but what? Them still sticking at them roots, you know, see them. And if them are gonna do them roots, them still have a little. If them are gonna switch over, them now switch over now 100% in another genre or anything. You know, you left on dancehall gonna rap. Fully 100% rap. And also you do it, look on Sean Paul and Shaggy them. When them do them collab with international artists, them keep them same roots. And that give the power. Be yourself when you go out there in the world. Don't try to change up your roots. Keep it. Bob Marley never changing roots. Peter touched them. All of the big greats people them out, they never change them roots. For people see them. You understand? Enough of these artists will get signed and every little thing. Zine? Them end up fall back on the label, them drop them because them don't understand the game and them want to move too fast. You understand? You have to always keep your roots. You see me? You come now and you tell the people them say, yo, but billionaire never, them did need help and this and that and way. Yes, everybody need help, but no mean say you just want to jump over this. So when you say you forgot at a distance, but no say yo, it gonna take time. You understand? You can't say music thing work. You see it? And also music thing work, you have to take your time, build your thing. You want jump, you know how disrespectful that is, people. You say I do 5 years. You give dancehall 5 years. You give dancehall 5 years. So you need to go in another genre and mix. Look if you see Burna Boy them and Tyler them and Tamo them. Look at the African artists them. The African artists them now dash with them roots. Are the same thing them are doing, them are dominate all over the world. Stadiums are sold out, record on record. You want to change from your roots and see they end up changing route and flap. Because you don't have no patience. You don't try to run down things you can't manage. You understand? Because you depend on the live now. And you tell the people them one back of nonsense. Because you especially can't give the people them advice. Because you don't know what you want. You tell the people them say, yo, them for sign. But them say you sign and then you end up get dropped. Then you tell them say, yo, maybe you sign again with a different deal. But then after you tell the people them say, yo, you don't know, maybe, you don't know, you go see what go on. You don't know what you want. You understand? And as a female artist, you need some type of mentor and thing. Generally, women by themselves, them need support. Especially when the male artists, them can do a thing and Ray, see?
I need you to subscribe.
The label can help you and to a certain extent and everything, yes, but you have to know, you have to keep your roots where people know you from. You understand? Where people know you from. The moment you do that, it's like you are grow as a pepper tree or a mango tree and you just a plant the tree. See? And it's like you just cut off the root. Like how if you grow a palm tree, you cut off the root, how the thing will grow? How you going to grow without your root? You understand? And that you do. You cut off Jamaica, you cut off the culture and gone over this. And if you end up come back here so. You understand? And then you have to talk about signing again. You still a rush it. You still a rush your career. Because if you rush it and go over this and fall back over here so, it's like you go backwards and then you want to go backwards again. I show you say, look here, this is what you need for focus on. Focus on your roots, your culture. You understand? Build your fan base. Create a wonderful team. You understand? Get a team. We can do your thing, your roots team or whatsoever. You see me? Build your fan base first. Build a true fan base. Label can't build no fan base for you. You understand? Call them go do a buy up bats and them because something make it seem like you need to create that. Be loyal to your true roots, your true culture. Create the fan base there. So it's like, alright, if you have a true fan base, a yard or whatever, diaspora, that one person there are your fan, and then them know like, say the person black and them know like all 10 people. Them the same fans, they say, yo, come, this is my artist, SHENSEEA and Ray, come in, tune in. You can watch us, let's go to our show. You understand? You need somebody by your side with you structure your thing, keep your roots and every little thing. You understand? These are the reasons why the world loves Shaggy and Sean Paul them and the other Jamaican dancehall artists them with the roots, because them keep them roots. Them not try to do rap or this or that. You understand?
Just the breathing space that I have now. Trying to see what I really want and how I really want to move next. And yeah, like I'm not rushing in anything, but I'm not gonna be independent for too long. Maybe, who knows? I don't know. Cause me, I might wake up tomorrow and sign a deal, and then tomorrow too, I also.
When Sean Paul do him thing, him still have that little roughness, the Jamaican style. See me when him do it with the hip hop artists and the R&B them. Shaggy same way have it, same way too. You understand? All of them who do them little thing have them roots. You just want to cancel the dancehall root, cancel the culture thing. And that's how it work. You understand? You need to build your team, build your fan base. Nothing wrong with signing, but I show you, it a teach you a lesson. You understand? You go sign and then boom, you end up a square one. Now you say, yo, you're independent. And this is the thing. You talk about signing and all of them little thing there. Again, you would have signed again and thing, right? Then you go say, yo, look at my eyes them and stress out and you know you're free and you can do whatever you want. It show yourself, look here. You see when you have yourself and to build your roots, you're more focused. You understand? Yeah, build your thing. You work on your own time, you don't feel pressured. You see me? So that I show yourself, look here, you need time to rely upon yourself, to think what you want. Because at that time when you're just starting the game and show the whole hype and everything, you feel like, yeah, I'm ready now. When you're never ready. You're never ready yet. You understand? Because when the pressure lick you and everything and you have a creative control of your thing and very, the pressure is on you, you work like slave. And because you're young in the business, you're young, you're not ready. You understand? You're still young. You need to build and structure your thing more before you go to a label. You understand? And to me right now, if you are going to talk about label or what, it better you do a distribution deal. To me, do a distribution deal, SHENSEEA. You understand? Nobody go do no 360 signing or whatever. Do a distribution deal. Don't go build your thing. You have the funds. You have the funds, you just need to build the thing. Get a team. You understand? Get a team and be patient. Be patient. Stop rush the genre. Stop rush for go international. You understand? Stop try rush for fall if you try big like Beyonce and them people. You understand? Majority of them dancehall, female dance, them watch each other too much. and try if you compete, say you want me up as a way. Wanna be patient and take on the time doing the thing. You understand? Everybody have them time. You get 5 years and you feel like say, yeah, me on top now, yo, me can do this. A years it takes some artists to reach some great accomplish. You just want to do 10 years, you just want to do 5 years and feel like you can get everything in 5 years. I know say thing work, it takes time.
Get up and say, me don't want to do this. So I really can't say, but just for now, like, I'm just chilling and making great music. Like, you notice saying I seen a bag under my eye? You know, seen a dark spot, my healthy looking, my skin clean, no makeup. Like, I'm so stress-free. I am happy. I'm in such a happier space now. More mature, more focused. And yeah, I'm excited, man. Roshan!
You understand? You just need to structure your thing now. Do a recap, forward, back, relapse. You understand? Think about your plans and everything. Nobody will rush in business. Where you want to go to sign again for come flap again and come back? A years have passed by now. You understand? What you want to do? Do 10 years back and forth, sign, get job, sign, get job, sign, get job. And that you want to do, and then boom, years gone after different generation now. Them now listen to your music again, bluff. You need to take time and build your thing, build your fan. You understand? Social media powerful. You understand? You have the present, you have the magazine look, everything we can promote your thing. Use that, take advantage of that, and put out your music. Proper good music and everything. Stop rush. If you go sign and everything, because you sign there, you end up fall back and flap out right now. You understand? You end up fall back. And the same ground where you left and neglect, you end up have to come back in other routes. You understand? So, focus on your thing and build your thing. You understand? Yeah, man. Build your thing, SHENSEEA, and stop with the rushing and come off of the media thing, man, with this. Because you're not ready to explain nothing yet. Because you feel already. You understand? You feel. You see me? What you did think, say you did go reach to that level there. You don't reach it yet. I show it, say, okay, you're not ready yet. You're still young in the business. You understand? But I just say the thing go. You know, it show you a lesson and I hope you learn from this. You understand? Yeah, man. But people don't know in a media facts, you know. Yeah, man. That is it. Like, share, subscribe. That is it.